As the largest police force in Wales, South Wales Police are totally committed to be the best at understanding and responding to our community's needs and in keeping South Wales safe. That very much includes the young people of our area who are our future. Today's society has seen a change for the better in attitudes towards lesbian, gay and bisexual people. South Wales Police, together with our partner agencies, have worked hard to contribute to this positive change, and we are committed to carrying on this important work in the future. There is still much for us all to do, and one of my aims is to help build communities in our area where all young people are able to fulfil their potential and to develop into the very best they can be. This in turn will help build safe, secure and prosperous communities. No young person should be disadvantaged from achieving their full potential because of their sexual orientation. In Britain today, lesbian, gay and bisexual people have partnership rights, the right to serve in the military and the right to be parents. Whilst this is positive progress, there are sadly challenges that our young people face daily, particularly in our schools. Stonewall recently undertook some research in schools that highlighted that 90% of teachers say young people, regardless of their sexual orientation, currently experience homophobic bullying. Further, 35% of LGBT pupils do not feel safe or accepted in school, and over half of lesbian, gay and bisexual pupils don't feel able to be themselves by coming out at school. Homophobic bullying and homophobic hate crime is wrong. I will not tolerate it here in South Wales, in our schools, our places of work or within our communities. South Wales Police are committed to doing everything we can to eradicate homophobic bullying and homophobic hate crime and to bring about a safer South Wales. I want to say, it gets better today, and together we can make it happen.